dusty pages. Free-Maca, Blakey.
Made the mistake of chasing those waterfalls. For the highs and lows, I would always fall. Made the mistake of chasing those waterfalls. For the highs and lows, I would always fall.
Yeah, no TLC for free. Only THC, my eyes bleed. Don't seem to know what I really need or how to let go. Heads in my hands, damn, God only knows. Gotta better the plan, or at least make me make some. Failed myself when I couldn't keep it honest. Always making every promise, chasing waterfalls back home in the hills, chasing. Those creeks raised me, belief got lost, it never fazed me. Until now, single dad trying to raise a baby. No time for crazy ladies, found real ones and made them crazy. For real, it was only free to let them play me. Hey baby, there he goes again, and I'm only a man.
Made the mistake of chasing those waterfalls. For the highs and lows, I would always fall. Made the mistake of chasing those waterfalls. For the highs and lows, I would always fall.
Yeah, no right, just looking at my left eye. Here we are again, it's bedtime. Put money on it that there'll be no next time. There'll be no next time.
Again I find myself chasing but never finding what I'm looking for. Only those who are gonna have it their way, or nothing at all.
I dug myself up out of that hole. You won't slow my roll, you can't break my goals. Don't go chasing waterfalls, it all levels out like water flows. It hurts to hold that rose, you gotta let it go. Let that chapter close and get on a new episode. That shit was hectic, yo, but I use it like stepping stones. I'm always stepping stones, my heart ticks like a metronome. And maybe I might just let it show. Run with the love and let the darkness go. I dug my way up out of that hole. You won't take my soul, you won't slow my roll. What happens in the end, only God knows.
Only God knows. Only God knows. But get it again, take it all out and then start from the end. Where it once was and now that it's not. Time to get it down, start a new plot. Turning it over and planning a new crop. Yeah, planning that new crop. Oh. Planning that new crop. Made the mistake of chasing those waterfalls. For the highs and lows, I would always